Hello. I'm studying game development with you guys. In this article, we will show you how to create an empty level in Unreal Engine and quickly set up the environment, and how to create a quick prototype level using the CubeGrid feature. Before we get into this work, let's create a project. Select the third-person template from the game category and create a project. When learning Unreal Engine for the first time, you will work with the levels created by default in this template. However, the environment is already set in the level provided by default, so it is often not possible to set the environment as you want. So, when you want to set your own environment, it is recommended to create a new empty level and set the environment. Now let's create an empty level. Select File New Level from the top menu bar to open the New Level window. Here, select an empty level and click the Create button. This will create a new level completely dark and empty. You can set up the basic environment here, and you can do it manually, but it would be quite cumbersome to place all the actors you need in the environment one by one. That's why Unreal provides the ability to set up your level environment with just a few clicks. Select Window Environment Light Mixer from the top menu bar to open the Environment Light Mixer panel. And all you have to do is press the buttons on this panel in sequence. However, in the case of the Atmosphere Light Creation button here, I will click only 0 and not create one. Use multiple atmosphere lights only in special cases. In any case, I guess I'll have to do some more research. Here, if you click the Create Sky Light, Create Atmosphere Light 0, Create Sky Atmosphere, Create Volume Trick Cloud, and Create Height Fog buttons in sequence, you can see that the other side of the empty level turns into a natural sky. And here's a quick tip: you can change the direction of the main light in your level very quickly and easily by holding down the Ctrl-L shortcut and moving your mouse. Now that we've set up the environment for our empty level, let's take a look at the features that allow us to quickly create maps for our prototypes. Usually, when making a game for a prototype, the background or structure of the level is often made using basic cube, cylinder, or sphere-shaped actors. However, there is a much better way than arranging objects such as cubes or cylinders one by one, and that is to use the CubeGrid function. Now, let's take a look at the CubeGrid function. Change the mode to modeling mode in the main toolbar. Then select CubeGR in the Poly Model section of the Mods panel. When you select CubeGrid mode like this, a grid is shown in the level. At this time, if you select the desired area and press the E key, a cube is stacked in the selected area to form a cube shape. Pressing the Q key will inversely cut and dig the selected area. A slightly simpler approach is to quickly stack or carve cubes by selecting an area and holding down Ctrl while dragging. And if you press the Ctrl-E shortcut key, you can make the size of the grid to be handled larger. And if you press the Ctrl-Q shortcut key, you can make the grid size smaller on the contrary. Next, you can also create a ramp by selecting the corner mode, selecting the corners of the selected area, and then raising or lowering the cube. After completing the desired level shape, click the Done button of the CubeGrid tool in the center of the level viewport to confirm the shape of the CubeGrid and affect the lighting. Let's create the desired shape and apply it. After completing the shape, you can right-click in the content browser and select Add Quickcel Content to open the bridge panel and import several textures and models to decorate your prototype level. Let's get some textures and models and decorate them. After decorating the level, place the player start actor in the level. And when you hit the play game button to enter play mode, you can now roam around the level for the prototype you made as a test. In this way, using the CubeGrid function and Quickcel, you can quickly create a level for a prototype. In this video, we learned how to set up an empty level environment to create a prototype level and quickly create a structure using the CubeGrid function. This video was produced with the donate and watching of the viewers. It was Vers Game Development YouTube. Thank you.